Responsive web design example 8. Here is grid 12 with 12 columns and grid without margins, but that distance around text I solve with padding, and 5% padding is in every div. First row is one div, class equal grid 12. Second row, two divs. First div, there is a class grid 11, and second div, there is a class grid 1. Our document 8.htm, first row is declaration of HTML5. Next is HTML, beginning of HTML document. Head tag, head section, there is a title, a link to Google's font, meta, charset, UTF-8, link style2.css, and meta viewport for display on mobile. In body section, we have div class container, what is main div. All content in body is inside that div. Div class equal grid 12. Here is end, but inside there is a div class equal pad. It is class pad. What you will see, there is a 5% padding, and it is how I solve problem padding. I made padding with inside the div. Second row, there is a div class grid 11, and inside the div is class equal pad. It is inside the div is only for class equal pad, because that inside the div will not go out of grid of outside the div. Outside the div is strictly grid, limit of gridding, strict to limitation of gridding, but inside the div is limited with outside the div and will not disrupt that dimension with pad or any other. Div grid 1, and inside the div is class equal pad. It is a style2.css. Here we have body element, HTML element, font family, font weight, font size, color, it is for letters, and background color for background complete body, but over that color is color of every div. Every grid, every class, grid 1 and grid 12, gives height 200 pixels and the color and background color for every class. Media screen, max width 705, means that it is a limit after width. Every class, grid 1 to grid 12, there is a width 100%, what means all over screen of mobile screen, and because of that every div go one behind other in one column on mobile. And padding, class pad, there is a padding 5%. One times one time we see our page.